Hello guys, welcome to my video and how to use Readzio.com. Here you can see website and I am already logged in. So what we have to do? So we have to create an article. So we click the right option. One is article, another one is blog. So I'm doing the article. Click on the article. How many categories are there? Suppose I don't have a category in which I have to write article. First I will create an article category. I click on this create new category. Here I will find when I scroll down. So here you can see create category name. So I will just add category name. So I choose technology because I am writing on technology. So you can see I just paste the category name and here the category names is different like technology slash article is coming. So I just create a category. So now here you can see on the top of page buttons, text, heading, order list, everything is visible. So anything is required, so you can use it. First of all, we can see there is a two column. One is for right, left column is for things which we will add, and the left and in the right we can see the overview or preview. So we can start a speed up so that you can understand how to use it. Okay? So now article is all completed. So we will post it. So create post button we create and this dialog box open. So I just add tags. Here the maximum tag I can apply is maximum 10. So first I will add one. So just check is that tag complete. So yeah, AI agent tag complete and press enter. So it will be collected. Again we will paste and add another tag enter and it will also collect. This is the thumbnail, and I just click continue to publish now, and this will count. So we have to wait until the article get published. So now our article get published, and we can see that our article is all visible. And yes, I can see everything which is visible. So sometime what we happen that something we have to change or edit something. So because I had created it, I can click this three dot. You can see this in the video, and you can pause it, and you can also check it. So edit post, and I think. This text is very small, so I should increase the size. So what we can see here, you can see 18 pixel, so I can increase it to the 32 pixel. It is more convenient to visual. So just we will just change the text size and make it bold, and I just save the change, and this will save my post after published. After the edit, I can see the size of the text is get increased, and yes, it is more visible. So yes, you can edit your post after publish. So now we will go to the home page. Yes, our post is visible. Why everyone is suddenly talking about AI agents? So yes, article is already published. Even we can share it on Twitter or social media. We can come to down, and here you can see like. Anyone can press the button like, and here the save button. I just copy it and I just paste to the social media. Below of that, you can see the comment option. Whoever login or whoever have the account on this platform or application, they can comment it. And yeah, that's it. I just demonstrate how to create a article or a content to the Readzio.com. Thank you for watching me. Stay tuned for the next video.